How to use picture to picture on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can use picture to picture on YouTube. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So for that, you just need to download the YouTube application onto your device. This number one method is you just need to simply click on the YouTube ad, and you just need to click on this eye icon at the top. After that, when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see this picture in picture option on your device. Just click on it and make sure to enable this option if you haven't, and then get back onto the app. After that, just open the app. After that, you just need to navigate to the profile and tap on the gear icon. And when you tap on this general section, you should be able to see picture in picture option. If you don't have the picture in picture option here, that means your account is not premium. So if you need that function from the YouTube itself, you just need to purchase the premium version of the YouTube. If not that, you may just open up a browser and search for youtube.com. After that, just click on one of the videos. I'm just gonna type in a video here. After that, you just need to hit here and close the ad, and you should be able to see the picture in picture on your screen. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.